Skinny model right before her runway show. She the one in the back, nose running from the blow. And we did it on the floor. So as she walking kinda funny, shoulda never put this on. Bitch, I'm only 24 and everybody salty. Niggas, stop your bitching. Everybody making money, we don't need to kick it. I'm chilling with my niggas, everybody got a crib. Did an album just to do it, dropping albums like a pill. Percocets, Adderall, ecstasy, pussy, money, weed. Faded for a week, I don't sleep, fuck my enemies. Try to stay sane, it's like a full-time hobby. Everything I do fake, niggas always copy. All I wanna do is go on tour and drop albums. And if I live forever, probably drop 100,000. Dick made out of magic, my tongue got superpowers. I woke up in the morning, models passed out in the shower. And I woke up in the kitchen saying, how the hell did this shit happen?